A legally road-registered stretch sedan was bought 15 years ago and is finally going to be revived. During inspection we found the paint cracked and flaking off, and the chrome parts rusted black. The entire chassis is rusted, the wood interior is dry and cracked, and what surprised me is that this retro body is stuffed with modern high-tech. Is this mixed genius or a total disaster? So we're going from this, to this, to this, turning it into this, then this. So we just start tearing it down. We remove the wood trim and chrome parts for refurbishment, and Brother Hood and Brother Bauer getting a headache from stripping all that interior, disassembling the chassis. Unintelligible Korean lyrics. The technicians are all carefully inspecting. Stripping the chassis and removing all the bolts. Refurbishing everything. Bing Bing is cleaning the chassis. After the driest cleaning, we continue with a high-pressure washer. Spraying on underbody armor. Stripping the outer layers of paint. Unintelligible Korean lyrics. Chrome plating. Parts, repainting and sanding them. Spraying on parrot primer. Continuing to sand the details. Machine sanding. Disassembling the exterior. Cleaning the body and preparing for paint. Starting the paint job. Spraying Parrot Clear Coat. Do you know why we have to sand? Because we're doing a double bake, double spray process, and then spraying Parrot Clear Coat once again. Look at the result, it's like a mirror. Cleaning the chassis parts. For the rusty ones, we use laser rust removal. We use a handheld cleaning machine. This is the result after everything is done. Electroplating the bolts and installing the refurbished chassis. Who is the first love? The finished look of the installed chassis. The interior floor soundproofing and deodorizing material has to be completely scraped off. The technicians scraped for 3 days and 3 nights. One whole bag of scrap they could barely lift. This is the result after that. Then we apply 3 layers of Dubai Shaw 5.0 gold sound deadening. Installing the interior wood trim and chrome pieces. Installing the reverse radar. Maybe you don't understand. A more than 30-year-old Phoenix Century Extended version has been sitting still for 15 years. So why bother bringing it back when there are no parts for it anymore? It's just an old fuel car. But what people can't understand is that when you step on the throttle, tens of thousands of parts move at the same time, giving the car life. One day we will all grow old. As long as wrinkles don't grow in our hearts, we will always stay young and in our prime.